Hey there friends, on today's quick tech tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset this Google Nest Wi-Fi as well as the mesh point. Super easy. Let's jump into it right now. So basically all we need are our two devices to perform these resets. Basically what I've done is I have the power cable plugged into the wall there. As you can see, the cable comes up here. Make sure this is unplugged. And we'll go ahead and look at the bottom of the router here for our next steps. So up top here, you can see there's a little button. It's in the gray space. And what we're going to be doing is pushing that button down. Now again, the power cable goes in over here between the two slots. And basically that is what is going to power the device. Again, you don't need the internet cable or the Ethernet cable plugged into the device at this time. Okay, so let's first focus on resetting the router. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come down and I'm actually going to push and hold that reset button. I'm holding it now, and then I'm going to plug the power cord directly into the bottom. Then we're going to take a look at the front. And basically what we're going to see is the device power on. Again, I'm still holding this down in this orange kind of flickering button. Now, as soon as you see this go out, you're going to be able to release. There we go. At this point, I'm going to release the button. We're going to wait a moment here, and as you can see, it's going to go through one more cycle, and then it'll go to that steady white light for us. And basically, after a few seconds here, this will have been reset. Now again, be patient with this part. You will see this steady white light again as things have been reset. All right, let's take a look at the mesh point. Okay, so let's now focus on factory resetting the mesh point here. And basically you can see we have it plugged in. It's flashing this orange right now, again, because it's not connected to the internet. But it does have power, it's powered on, which is great. So basically what we can do with this one, turn it over on the bottom, and you can see another one of those little buttons right here. This is the reset button for the, again, mesh point. Now, once we push and hold this, we're actually going to get audio on this, again, because of the speaker down here on the bottom, that's going to allow us to walk through some verbal cues. So let me push and hold this. And after a few seconds,
you're about to completely reset this device. Release to cancel.
As you can hear, it released to cancel. I'm going to hold it for a couple more seconds. You'll hear that chime, and then we can release. Now this will go through the reset process. You can see the light went out. It's going to take just a minute to do that factory reset, and then it will boot back on.
Use the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, after about a minute or so, it'll reboot. You'll hear that verbal cue, and this is now reset. So there you go, friends. That is a quick reset process for the Google Nest Wi-Fi. We hope this has helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for us. Lets us know we're making helpful videos. Stay tuned. We're making a bunch more tutorial videos, both on the Google Nest accessories, as well as other tech tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.